Multi-source feedback, or MSF. This assesses generic skills such as communication, teamwork, and leadership. The trainee chooses raters and sends out ticket requests via the e-portfolio. It's generally recommended that more tickets are sent out than the minimum return requirement, as a 100% completion rate is unusual. The number and breakdown of respondents required are defined in the ARCP decision aid. Importantly, note the minimum number of respondents from consultants and the requirement for the respondents to reflect a spread of professionals and for the period covered to be relatively short, certainly no more than 3 months. One of the respondents should be your educational supervisor. One important feature of the MSF is that the results are collated, therefore you can't see individual responses. Once the minimum number of responses have been collated, your educational supervisor can release them to you via the e-portfolio, but it may be worth considering waiting a few days longer to see if you get a few more responses back, as these generally can't be released later. Most trainees have to complete one MSF per year of training, but if there are training concerns highlighted, or the spread or number of respondents is inadequate, you may be asked to complete a second MSF at another time as well. If this is the case, the reasons will be clearly communicated to you, so you understand why it's being asked for. Different regions have different requirements regarding MSF timings, with some leaving it completely up to you, and others having a recommended time window for it. Your training program directors or deputy training program directors should be able to advise on your local requirements.